Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region on your iPhone iOS 26 without a credit card. For example, if you want to change the country or region so that you can simply use the app which are available in other country or region. So if you want to change that, but there is a restriction that you have to simply provide your payment method. But if you do not want to add any payment method, so how you can change the country or region without credit card option. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go for the main method. So there are two methods available. So first one, as that you have simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply click on the name or Apple ID here, and after that you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface available here. You can simply find manage payments, subscription, and country or region option is also available there. So you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to simply select the country you want to change the country or region to that. And after that you can simply go for the payment method. So the next method is that you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to name or Apple ID here, and here you have to click on media and purchases, and after that you have to click on view account, and after that the same kind of interface will be available. So you have to simply click on country or region, and after that you have to simply select the country you want to change the country to that, and after that you have to provide the payment method. Now if you want to add, you do not want to add your credit card, then you have to simply click on continue, and after that you have to agree the terms and condition. And after as you agree the terms and condition, as you can see there is option available that credit and debit card and PayPal option, and there is also a none option available. So here you have to simply select that option, and you have to provide your address and all the details, and you have to verify your address and all the details, and after that your country or region will be changed. And here you can simply change your country or region without credit card option. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.